channel. I am so glad you're back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to central London. I am meeting one of my new friends, and we both connected because we are doctors and we are also into keto, which is really strange because hardly anybody I know is actually into keto in UK. So we're going to be talking about that. I'm going to show you around a bit of London and some little cute spots that there are in Canary Wharf, and hopefully you get to learn a little bit about this diet. I hope you enjoy this video. Join us as we go along there. Okay, so one of the things I realized is that I don't have an English number yet. So first things first, I'm gonna go to the shop and get myself a new number, because hard to connect with people when you can't call them or you're waiting for a spot of Wi-Fi. It's just not a good situation. So I'm gonna go and get a new SIM card, and then I will meet my friends. So hopefully everything will be quick and easy. It's not often we get blue skies in London. I'm so happy. Hey guys, so I've finally got an English number, which I'm really happy about. I am at Romford Station, as you can see, and I'm just waiting for the train that will take me to Stratford, and then from Stratford I'll get the Jubilee line, and that will take me to Canary Wharf. So we're here in Canary Wharf, and finally. Hello. With Vinny. You're a bit late though, like. What happened? Can you explain what the situation was?
It was really cold, so I had to go back and get a hoodie.
Okay, that makes sense. It is blitz. It is so cold, but we're gonna make this happen. So first things first, we need to look around the area and show you a little bit of Canary Wharf. It's amazing. It's so nice, and we're gonna try and get a few shots here because it's really pretty. Yeah. Here at the Crossrail indoor garden thing. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so nice here. It's one of those things that I found on Secret London, so it is lovely. I'm going to just show you a little bit around. I'm loving it.
I low-key want that to be a coconut tree.
That we could steal the coconuts.
Yeah. I don't think they can grow coconuts here, right?
So in this area, it seems like they have artificial sounds of birds, which is really cute. I really like it, but the lighting here is really nice. It's a really cool place to be.
So we're gonna find another
location. Yeah.
Every time we have to take pictures, I have to take this hoodie off.
This is the most annoying part of the day because it's so cold. Yeah, we're gonna go straight through, but we're gonna find one more location because I feel like we haven't taken enough pictures since we don't come to this area very much. So just outside here, there are some really pretty lights here. Hey guys, so we are finally at Nando's. How many times this week have you been at Nando's?
It could be the 6 or 7.
6 or 7 times at Nando's. So just want to like quickly say something. When you're on keto, there's not really that many options. What do you think about the options for keto in London?
Zilch. Not to say zilch, but very little.
It's really low. So this is like one of the best options. And this is what I'm having. I'm having dark greens, beans,
creams, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, dog,
and half chicken, and you're just on.
A full chicken with olives.
We demolished the olives, like they were really good. So later on, we'll do a video and talk a little bit about this diet, and we'll get back to you on that. So.